Michael. Michael. Can you sit, please? Sit. Sit in your chair. Thank you. Christopher, sit. Do not climb on the table. Michael, sit. Yeah. Jack, can you say hi to Daddy?
Hi, Dada.
Hi, Dada. What did you have for dinner, Jack? Jack, what did you have for dinner?
Chips.
and besides chips, what else did you have? Raisins and Cheerios and pasta. What's wrong? Michael, sit in your chair. We're not standing and playing. Michael. Say hi to Daddy. Michael, say hi to Daddy. Chris, can you say hi to Daddy? Yeah. Michael. Michael. Hi. All right, say bye, Daddy, Jack.
Bye.